Welcome back to Reviews Inside TV, where real cleaning gear gets talked about like it's actually going to live in your home, because it probably is. Today's spotlight is on the Roborock Qrevo Edge S5A, a robot vacuum and mop that's aiming squarely at people who want serious automation without babysitting their floors. This is a combined vacuum and mop robot with a full-size docking station, high suction on paper, advanced navigation, and a heavy focus on hair management, edge cleaning, and hands-off maintenance. No hype yet, just setting the stage for what this machine is designed to do. At its core, this is a robot vacuum built for mixed homes: carpets, hard floors, pets, long hair, furniture legs, and the kind of daily mess that adds up fast. The headline number is 18,500 pascals of suction, and in plain terms, that's strong even by modern robot standards. Suction power like this is what determines how well fine dust is pulled out of carpet fibers, rather than just skimmed off the top, and how confidently debris gets lifted from cracks in hard floors. It's paired with a DuoDivide main brush that's split down the center to reduce hair wrap, plus a FlexiArm side brush that extends outward to reach corners where round robots usually struggle. On the mopping side, you're getting dual spinning pads that rotate at high speed, adjustable water flow, and automatic mop lifting of up to 10 millimeters when carpets are detected, so wet pads don't drag across rugs. Filtration is handled internally through a sealed system designed to keep fine dust contained, which matters if allergies or pet dander are part of your life. The onboard dustbin empties automatically into a 2.7-liter bag inside the dock, and for most households, that translates to roughly 2 months without touching dust. For a robot vacuum, that's a big quality of life win. Noise-wise, this isn't whisper quiet at full power, but it stays within what you'd expect for a high-suction robot, more of a steady whoosh than a high-pitched whine. And it's easy to schedule runs when you're not home anyway. Setup is straightforward. Out of the box, the dock needs space, but once it's placed and powered, the robot maps quickly using LiDAR, building a detailed layout of rooms, walls, and furniture. The reactive obstacle avoidance adds a second layer of confidence, especially in lived-in homes with cables, shoes, or pet toys. In real use, it doesn't just bounce around randomly. It moves with intent, follows logical paths, and adjusts its behavior depending on floor type. Hard floors get consistent suction and controlled water flow, while carpets trigger suction boosts and automatic mop lifting. In everyday testing, fine dust on tile and laminate is picked up in a single pass, including along edges where the extending side brush actually makes a difference. On carpets and rugs, especially medium pile, the suction is strong enough to pull up embedded debris and pet hair without multiple retries. Long hair is where this robot earns its keep. The split brush design dramatically reduces wrapping, so instead of cutting hair out every few days, maintenance becomes occasional rather than constant. Stairs and elevated areas obviously require manual cleaning, but upholstery and tight spots are covered by the robot's precision around furniture legs and edges, rather than attachments, which is the trade-off with robotic cleaners. Mopping performance is more than a token wipe. The dual rotating pads apply real pressure, and stubborn dried-on marks take fewer passes compared to older drag-style systems. When the job is done, the robot returns to the dock where the mops are washed with hot water, not just rinsed, which helps break down grease and grime. Warm air drying follows, reducing odor and mildew risk. This is the kind of feature that turns a mop from something you tolerate into something you actually trust to run daily. Quick pause here. If you're finding this breakdown helpful and you like honest, no-nonsense reviews of cleaning tech, take a second to like the video, subscribe to Reviewsinsidetv, and tap the bell so you don't miss future deep dives. Your floors might not thank you, but your weekends probably will. Living with the Qrevo Edge S5A highlights both its strengths and its limits. It handles under-furniture cleaning well thanks to a low-profile design, but very tight gaps can still be hit or miss. High-power suction does draw the battery down faster, so larger homes may see it return to recharge mid-clean, though it resumes intelligently. The app gives granular control over rooms, no-go zones, water levels, and cleaning routines. And once dialed in, the experience becomes very hands-off. Hair tangling, one of the biggest robot vacuum frustrations, is genuinely minimized here rather than just marketed. Build quality feels solid. The plastics don't creak, the dock components align cleanly, and the moving arms and mop mechanisms feel engineered rather than flimsy. Maintenance is refreshingly low. Filters are easy to access and clean, the brush roll rarely needs cutting free, and emptying or replacing the dust bag is clean and mess-free. Long-term reliability data on this exact model is still limited, but based on construction and how similar platforms have held up, expectations are reasonable rather than risky. Value for money depends on what you expect from a robot vacuum in this price tier. You're paying for automation, edge performance, hair management, and a dock that handles nearly everything for you. Compared to other high-end robot vacuums available right now, this one competes strongly on suction and mopping sophistication. Some alternatives offer similar navigation with slightly quieter operation, while others match the cleaning power but require more manual maintenance. If pet hair, mixed flooring, and minimal intervention are priorities, this model justifies its cost better than most. In direct comparison with other premium robot vacuums released in the last year, the Qrevo Edge S5A stands out for its combination of raw suction, effective mop lifting, and genuinely useful dock features. Some competitors may offer marginally better object recognition or slightly longer battery life, but they often fall short in edge cleaning or hair management. Here, the balance leans toward real-world performance rather than spec sheet tricks. So where does that leave us? This robot vacuum makes the most sense for busy households, pet owners, and anyone with a mix of hard floors and carpets who wants consistent cleaning without daily intervention. It's less ideal for homes with lots of stairs or those who expect absolute silence. But for its intended role, it delivers on its main promises without cutting corners. Thanks for spending your time with Reviewsinside.tv. If you want to check out the Roborock Qrevo Edge S5A for yourself, the product link is waiting in the comments box. Drop your questions below or share your experience if this robot is already rolling around your home. Goodbye till next time, and remember, a cleaner floor makes every room feel bigger here on Reviewsinside TV.